Hi everyone, this is Sanjana from Mockat. So an exciting day, the CAT 2023 response sheet is out. So what is it that you should do now? First thing, please make sure to get onto the IIM CAT website and save your response sheet because it's going to be there only for a couple of days. And then you can get the response sheet link and check your percentile out here at Mockat. I'll link a video where Vignesh has outlined the steps, but it's pretty simple. You just need to get the link and paste it out here on the Mockat site, and that's about it. And it might surprise you. You might be thinking, oh, it's not great, but the exam was tough this year. So your percentiles might just surprise you. Now, there are two things that we need to check. One is what is the overall percentile and what are the sectional percentiles, because most IIMs are going to have sectional cutoffs. Now, once you check your percentiles, if your overall and your sectional percentiles both are good, then you need to start your prep for the interviews, hopefully in parallel with your XAT prep. Now, we are going to have an interview prep series out here. So definitely subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And I'll also link some of the earlier videos here for you so you can start on that. What if your overall percentile is good, but you feel that the sectional percentiles are not sufficient? In that case, hope is not lost. You have IIM Rohtak and you have a bunch of other top B schools which don't consider the sectional percentiles. So look at that. And in parallel, please prep for that as well as some of the other exams. We're going in depth into these exams and how you should prepare, what should your strategy be. So take advantage of that because all of these exams, SAT, SNAP, NMAT, all of these can get you into very good B schools. And this is exactly what I recommend in case your CAT performance has not been as you hoped, right? If that's the case, I hope you've already registered for SNAP and ZAT and you're prepping for that. Check out the videos in the channel. I'll link a few in the description as well as in the first pinned comment for you. In case if you've not registered for any of these exams, the ZAT registration is still live. So that's something which will get you into XLRI and a bunch of other top B schools. So please do register for that and start off your prep right away and you still have a very good chance. If you're not targeting the other exams for whatever reason, just start off your prep for CAT 2024 right away, right? No institute, no B school, no company cares how many times you took the exam or, things like that. All they care about is which institute you're in and of course how you prep your interview, things like those, right? So it doesn't matter whether you're getting through with CAT 2023 scores or CAT 2024 scores. What matters is, are you getting into a great B school or not? And the majority of people in IIMs are people who have taken CAT at least twice. For a lot of people, the first time, the prep has not gone well. A lot of people prepare on their own. A lot of people look at it, almost as board exams, or they'll prepare at the last moment, maybe the last month or so, like college exams. Maybe the test strategy is something which they had not worked out. And a lot of people take CAT at least twice. And you can be one of them. Like I said, all that matters is you do well once, you crack the exam once, and you get on to a grade B school. So do that. Look for guided prep from the right sources. That is something which will definitely help you to do really well. So whether it's CAT 23 or CAT 24, all the best to you.